Starting point is, man, that's a bad call, right? So we go into it thinking hopefully we get inside leverage or off corner, like really what they've shown in similar situations is 3 guys across the end zone, off corner, inside leverage on Tank. Gave him a route he scored on last year, really the same part of the field. And then instead we got outside leverage press, which is hard. Like that's not what the route's for. They doubled Steph, so really for the quarterback, you got to get all the way to the backside answers, which would have been good on that play, but he's already been hit 12 times. So he's not. It's everything trickles down in the NFL, right? So it's not always any like one given play. I think what CJ did in that moment was 100% right. Like we can't hold on to the ball. We got to get the ball out of our hands and look to be darned a little bit, So to me, like it's the fact that we've had the protection issues early in the game that we're not confident being able to hang in the pocket. And then along the same lines, like we go 1st and 10 from, I want to say the 12-yard line, something like that, I think was the first down. We call a run because Joe was in a groove. We get blown off the ball. Next thing you know, it's 2nd and 12. They run the same pressure. I call a run play we've called 5 times in the game. It was our best run by far, which is premier against the pressure, and we executed it worse than we did the other 5 times. We lose 3 more yards, and now 3rd and 15's tough anyway. You know what I mean? So it was a bad situation all the way around.
So the